First off, why don't we start off just your take on some of these trade developments? We saw the EU deal yesterday, a bit of a muted reaction. Our Jim Cramer says people are kind of over the trade. It's really about earnings, the Fed, and the jobs report coming up.
Well, the Fed this week, earnings have been coming in solid. And the real question is, on the earnings side, what are the companies actually forecasting? Because the tariffs are unknown. The good news is, as the tariff story plays out, as we're seeing it play out, it's really markets are taking it in stride. So it's more of a relief. Not so much a relief rally, but a relief so far so good, because we are actually getting some deals done.
All right, your word of the day is strategy. Who needs the strategy?
Investors need the strategy. This is a really uncertain market, and the certainty is the uncertainty as we see moving forward. But you've got a lot of certainty moving forward where you have the trades coming through, trade deals coming through, earnings are coming through, strong market, and consumers are hanging in there, which is also really good. We also have the bill that was passed that gives businesses, both small and large, a lot more certainty moving forward. So the strategy has to be keep your cash, start moving it into locking in higher rates. We believe the Federal Reserve in the back half of this year, not this week, but back half of this year, are going to start lowering interest rates, start lowering the landing gear.
Robert, sit tight for a second. We have an earnings alert right now. Check out shares of UNH after their quarterly results. Earnings of $4.08 a share. That's 40 cents below estimates. That's on revenue of $111.6 billion, slightly ahead of estimates. Right now, we're looking at the stock moving up just about 2%, kind of moving up and down right now over 2%. But again, UNH, very big Dow component, reporting its earnings. A beat when it came to revenue, a miss when it came to EPS. Stock still moving higher right now. I want to turn back over to you. Healthcare sector has been very much beaten down this year. Do you believe that this might be the sign of a bottoming, the fact that the company missed on earnings and the stock's still moving higher?
Yeah, but UnitedHealth has its own story, right? The big cloud above it right now. But the healthcare sector has been lagging year to date. It's more of that value play. Growth has been accelerating. We're obviously seeing the Mag 7 continue to grow with the AI spend. So I think right now we do see earnings overall broadening out, which is very healthy for the overall marketplace. And as long as we see healthcare continue to move from this earnings season, that's good as well.
All right. So you are actually making a pick for us today. It's AMD, so not a laggard at all.
Yeah.
Why AMD here? This is one of those stocks that's definitely moved to the upside on the AI trade. Do you have concerns that it may be getting a bit frothy up there?
You know, valuation is a terrible tool for trading. We look at valuations, put that aside. We want to look at, so what is the marketplace? The total addressable marketplace for AMD is now a rival for Nvidia's chip. In fact, AMD just increased their chip, the MI 350, which is the rival to the Blackwell. And that they increased it 67% on pricing power alone. So they went from $15,000 per chip to $25,000. That's going to take their accretive earnings right to the bottom line. That just shows that the AI space is live, well, and strong. And they're there to give Nvidia a run for its money.
Blanke Schein Wealth Management is a group of investment professionals registered with HighTower Services, LLC, member FINRA and SIPC, and with HighTower Advisors, LLC, a registered investment advisor with the SEC. Securities are offered through HighTower Securities, LLC. Advisory services are offered through HighTower Advisors, LLC. This is not an offer to buy or sell securities. No investment process is free of risk, and there is no guarantee that the investment process or the investment opportunities referenced herein will be profitable. Past performance is not indicative of current or future performance and is not a guarantee. The investment opportunities referenced herein may not be suitable for all investors. All data and information referenced herein are from sources believed to be reliable. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained in this research is provided as general market commentary. It does not constitute investment advice. Blanke Schein Wealth Management and HighTower shall not in any way be liable for claims and make no expressed or implied representations or warranties as to the accuracy or completeness of the data and other information, or for statements or errors contained in or omissions from the obtained data and information referenced herein. The data and information are provided as of the date referenced. Such data and information are subject to change without notice. This document was created for informational purposes only. The opinions expressed are solely those of Blanke Schein Wealth Management and do not represent those of HighTower Advisors, LLC, or any of its affiliates.